Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. For today's workout, we will be doing a Pilates-inspired upper body and core workout. Starting on our hands and our knees, let's curl our belly button to our spine into a cat as we exhale, and inhale, look up into a cow. Let's do that one more time. Exhale into a cat, curling your spine, and inhale, look to the sky into a cow. Let's actually do that 2 more times, curling our belly button to our spine, and inhale, look up into a cow. Last time, exhale into a cat, and inhale, look up into a cow. Bringing your body back to tabletop, tuck your toes under and hover your knees and your shins off of the floor into a bear hold. This position is great to warm up your entire body and make sure your belly button's moving to your spine. And on the inhale, press up into a downward dog with your heels lifted. Again, exhale, let's go back down to our bear hold in 3, 2, 1. Knees and shins are hovering off the floor, shoulders are stacked on top of wrists, belly button is pulled to our spine, and let's push into our downward facing dog again with our heels lifted. Let's do this exercise 2 more times at your own pace. Now in our last downward facing dog, lower your heels and pedal out your feet to mat distance apart. Let's lift our heels up and down for 4, up and down for 3, up and down for 2, and last time 1. Walk your feet together and begin to ripple forward through your spine into a high plank. For this exercise, you'll be pushing back to that bear hold, bringing one knee to your nose and curving your spine to engage your core. Let's go. Lift one knee to your nose, sit back into your bear hold, and push back to your plank. Let's do the other leg. If you need a minute to watch what I'm doing, by all means pause the video or pause your workout and watch what I'm doing. And as I exhale, I bring my knee to my nose and curve my spine slightly. Again, exhale, knee to nose, curving our spine slightly, pushing back into our bear hold. Knees are always hovering off the floor, shins never touch the floor. And let's switch sides. Keep going at your own pace. Beautiful work. Press back into your downward facing dog once again and go into a dolphin pose. So lower your elbows to the floor, lengthening your spine still. It's almost like a downward dog, but we're on our elbows. On the next exhale, we're going to bring one knee forward and shift to a low plank and then shift back again. Shifting forward and back from our dolphin to a low plank with one knee lifted. Keep going. And let's lower all the way down to a low plank, staying here for a few seconds. Moving to our side plank, we're going to be doing 8 thread the needles here. So let's do 1 and back. And we do 2. Keep going. And let's switch sides. Same thing, 8 thread the needles. Make sure that your hips are staying steady here and that you're engaging your core, pulling your belly button to your spine. Keep going. Next, let's reverse the last exercise, and as we push back to a dolphin, bring your knee to your nose and go back down to a low plank. Keep going at your own pace for this one. It's almost as if we're doing mountain climbers, but we're on our elbows without the running aspect, so it's low impact. Keep going. Finishing the last one, you can lower down all the way to Sphinx or press up all the way to Cobra to stretch out your core muscles, squeezing your glutes, and then sit back to a child's pose. Begin to slowly roll up, and once you're up, grab your foam roller. You're going to put it underneath the top of your shins closer to your knees, but make sure not to put it on your kneecap. We're going to be bringing your knees in and out in a high plank here. So stretch your knees and bring your knees closer, rolling on top of the roller with your feet and shift it out. Keep going at your own pace. This one is a killer core exercise. And finishing the final one, relax, take the foam roller from behind you and put it in front of you so that you can use it on your forearms. We're going to be rolling out and in our low plank, starting in a tabletop position. Keep your shoulders and your elbows in the same angle as you go forward, and use your core to come back. Notice my shoulders are staying engaged and I'm not just moving my arms forward and back. I'm actually locking my shoulders in place so that I can really rely on my core to move me forward and pull myself back. Keep going. And finishing the last one. Now this exercise should only be executed if you're professional or if you're advanced student or even intermediate. Put the roller underneath your ankles and you're going to curl to a pike on the foam roller. So find a position that's comfortable to you to start in your plank, and as you roll up, you're over top of your toes on the roller, and as you roll down, it's on your shins. Finishing the last one, take the foam roller where your bra strap is between your two shoulder blades. Inhale, take your hands above your head, and as you exhale, you're going to spill over top of the roller. Make sure that your lower back is staying straight, so lifting up before you go back into a rainbow / waterfall, and inhale, exhale to come forward, chin to chest, almost lifting your shoulder blades off of the roller. That is, of course, the goal, as you will engage your abs and your core more once you lift your shoulders slightly off the roller. Keep going for this one. After this last one, point your feet off of the floor and go into some Pilates 100s in your own time. Inhale through the mouth for 5 and push your hands down for 5. Exhale. And relax. Lower down onto the roller, roll back, and put the roller underneath your sacrum and buttocks so that we can do our leg lowers with our hips elevated. You're going to find it's a lot more difficult than normal. Make sure you're slightly tucking under and that your back is again straight. See that straight line between my sports bra and my pants. We're going to lower it down one leg at a time. Let's lower down and flex the right foot down, and inhale, bring it up. Switch legs, left leg goes down, and inhale up. Again, right leg goes down, and inhale up, and exhale, left leg goes down. And notice my lower back isn't curving at all. Keep going, right leg down, and up. Exhale, left leg down, and up. Beautiful. Again, right leg down, and up, and left leg down, and back up. For the next one, lowering both legs at the same time, feel free to take your hands on the roller to help stabilize it or take your hands to the side, and we're going to lower our legs down again for 2. And bring it back. This one's extremely difficult on your lower transverse abdominals, so keep breathing. If it's too much, take a break. And we have one more. I got a fluff in my eye, hence the reason I was picking at my eyeball. Last one. And relax for a second. Going into some bicycles. Let's do 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flex your feet. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. Pointing our feet for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, flexed feet. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. The goal is to lower the leg as much as we can. 1. And relax. Give yourself a hug. Last one with the roller in your hands, sitting halfway back into your V hold, pointing your toes to lift your legs off of the floor, just sitting on your butt and balancing. You're going to twist to one side with the roller in your hands. Let's go. Twisting to the left and center and the right and center. Again to the left. This is more difficult with the added weight of the roller, and the right and center. Again to the left and center, to the right and center, and the left and center, and the right and center. Again, the left and center, and the right and center. Lowering down to a low boat, stretching your knees still, and bringing the roller to our feet. Lowering down to a low boat, passing it to your hands. Lowering down to a low boat, passing it to your feet. Lowering down last time to a low boat, and passing it to your hands. Give yourself a hug, take a butterfly, and you are done for today. Thank you again so much for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now.